So I'm going to discuss while loop in Python. So while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. So when we say statement, so this is a block of statement, this one. Okay, right after the while uh, code here. So again, so we have to, of course, initialize the value. So this one is I is equals to 1, and then this one is the keyword while, and then this one is the condition here. Don't forget the colon. So it's very important in Python right after the condition statement. And then we have here the print to print the number, and then we are going to have an incrementation code here. So we have here the plus sign is equals to 1. So this is for the incrementation. So it's equivalent to I is equals to I plus 1. So let's run this code. So let's see if it's running. So let's delete this one. Okay. So it's so easy in declaring while in Python. So let's run this code. Okay, so the value of I here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's so easy in Python to declare while. So don't forget to colon here, okay? It's so important in Python. So it's more on executing iterative process in Python. So if you want to add decrementation here, so all you need to do is to change this value for decrementation. So easy in Python.